गए, 10 किलोमीटर हो गए, याहू 10 किलोमीटर कर दिया at the rate of 8.28. I was saying that it will give me interval beeping. That stupid thing was not working.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and see you in the vlog. Bye bye.
Good night, friends. Now it's 1 a.m. morning, 1:30 a.m. actually. So tomorrow is Saturday. Hopefully I can do some exercise. I have lots of videos to be edited and uploaded. It's this whole week I have only recorded, but I have not. I'm not getting the chance to edit it. No time for that. So hopefully I'll be able to do all those stuff tomorrow and I'll upload, I think, almost 4 to 5 days of video. With that note, thank you. Good night. Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. बाहर तो मौसम बहुत सही है. आज है जुलाई 31. मेरा तो 100 के नहीं हुआ, पर ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, अपन फिर भी रन करेंगे. So I'll get ready and I'll go down and I'll run whatever I can. No regrets, no sadness. हम जुलाई को हैप्पी विदा करेंगे. चलो see you later, बाय बाय. तो जो बाहर बहुत बारिश का माहौल है, पर बारिश हो नहीं रहा है, बट दिख रहा है ऐसे जैसे कि बहुत बारिश हो रहा है. ये ना मैं अपनी इस प्लांट को थोड़ा पानी दे देती हूँ. बेसिकली ये इसका पानी सूख गया है और जो जड़ है वो बाहर आ रहे हैं, तो उनको पानी में ही डूब के रहना है, तो मैंने ये कर दिया. बाकी मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप उठने के बाद होता है कि मेरे बालकोनी के प्लांट्स को थोड़ा सा देखना, सब कैसे हैं क्या हैं देखना. तो घर में तो करी लीव्स ख़त्म हो गया है 1 हफ्ते से, तो मैं इस बेचारे का सब ले के खा ले रही हूँ. अभी इसमें और 2-3 ही बचे हैं. और एक मेरा ना ये प्लांट जो मैं बता रही थी किडनी स्टोन वगैरह के लिए अच्छा है, इसकी जो सबसे बड़ी ब्रांचेस थे ये मर रहे हैं. बाकी सब फ्रेश है, सेम पॉट से निकले हुए उसके बच्चे, सारे बच्चे, फैमिली, रिश्तेदार, वो सब ठीक है. पर जो सबसे बड़े 2 ब्रांचेस खींच के यहाँ तक आए थे, ये दोनों मर रहे हैं. कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, मरना है तो मरे, हमने थोड़ी ना मारा है. तो हाँ, प्लांट्स तो बाकी सब ठीक ही है. ये मेरे वॉल के प्लांट है, पता है. दिस वन आई सेट अप ऑन 1st of January एज ए मेमोरी. दिस होल वॉल वॉज installed by my brother at least 3 years back, 4 years back, 3 years back, but I never got time to put what plants to put. Then there are almost how many 6 into 5, 30 pots. So I got 30 aloe vera small plants and I planted in all those ones. It took me almost 3 to 4 hours by mixing the mitti and then climbing up, then planting the plants and all that took me really lot of time. But yeah, as usual, not all will stay live. It's January 1st. From January 1st, it's now going to be July end, right? 6 months into the life. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So close to 13 are alive. Baki are dead. So I guess in the next phase, when I get some time, I will plant another. So basically the idea is the ones that are alive, good, I will take them to the top, so that I am not bothered of giving water and all, and not giving water and killing them. So I'll take them up and I'll bring the ones which do not have to the bottom and I will plant new plants so that my hands will raise if I want to give water. And again, this is rainy season, so I believe they will grow faster and there won't be any such death happening the way it happened for the first batch. Even our building garden, this is the time they are actually cleaning up lot of places and planting new plants, so that without much of effort they will stay alive. So yeah, I just saw my plants, they looks good, happy. I will now go and finish my daily routine and see you later. So I am ready for the run. It's almost what's the time? 8:40 a.m. morning. So today I'm trying my the running bag I was telling. So I'm trying that because this running shorts that I'm wearing, it do not have any pockets. So normally I trust on my pockets to keep the phone and stuff, mostly phone and key and all. But this one don't have, so that's why I'm wearing this running bag. I hope it won't be that much of inconvenience to wear. Right, I have tied it well, but let's hope it's not going to. So in this pouch I have kept the water bottle, and here I'll keep the phone, and since it's a Bluetooth headset, nothing else, and then my watch, and I should be good. So today I am gonna try a new type of running, since I am not improving that well and I want to increase my running speed. I saw you must have met my friend Lalita in another video when we went Sunday to the BHEL. So I see that, so we basically share an app called as Starva app, where it's a running community, mostly exercise community. Whatever you do, you can put there. Mostly walking, running is the best. So we shared that app, and there I saw that she has her run rates are really good, like 7 point. It's below 8, whereas mine is mostly the best could be 8:23 or it's mostly below 9 if I'm running really fast, which won't work for a long run. So I saw that she has tried a new thing called as 3 minutes run. It's interval kind of a run where she is running like 3 minutes run and 30 seconds walk. I asked how do you track the time. So she suggested me a Android app that I have installed. Forgotten the name of it, will tell later. So that app I'm going to try today, and I will see if it improves my run by having this 3 minute and 30 seconds, like 3 minute run and 30 seconds walk. So the app is on the phone, and through my big Bluetooth headset I will be knowing how it is. Alright, नीचे जाके मिलते हैं. See you. So अभी मैं नीचे आ गई हूँ मेरे बिल्डिंग के, और मैं अपने सारे जितने भी ट्रैकिंग ऐप्स है सबको स्टार्ट कर दूँगी एंड फिर रनिंग स्टार्ट करूँगी. हाँ, होपफुली आई कैन डू सम जस्टिस फॉर जुलाई एंड बीच बीच में इफ़ आई फील लाइक आई विल बी शूटिंग. तो जी 10 किलोमीटर हो गई. याहू, 10 किलोमीटर कर दिया at the rate of 8.28. So per kilometer 8.28 minutes, which is really good for me. And the app I was saying that it will give me interval beeping. That stupid thing was not working. It works only if I'm holding the phone. It's not working. If I have some other video running in YouTube or something, which generally I do while running, it stopped working. So I I did not follow that. What I did was on my watch, after every 1 kilometer I walked for 150 meters to 200 meters and then I again run, and that kind of worked a lot. So now I will do some walk. पानी भी मिल गया, जो मैं बॉटल लाई थी it got over, so it's hard to go upstairs to get. So in one of our block they have the water filter which has the cold and warm water, so I got the I picked the normal, but it's giving me the cold water. You can see from the color, but since I'm tired, I'm absolutely fine having the cold water. So you can see the scenery behind me and the bridge is coming. So I'm gonna enjoy a bit of walk, and even the vegetable vendor has come to the society, so I have to buy vegetables. I have everything almost over, which is a good thing because it's better than buying everything and spoiling it. So that's a better thing. So I will do some walking, enjoy the free air without the pressure of run, and then I'll go and buy vegetables. See you till then. Bye bye. मैं आ गई हूँ घर, और I didn't come up and take covers to buy vegetables. They were giving some all things, so I got vegetables. तो मैं ये vegetables and fruits ले आई हूँ. कुकुम्बर, ये एक तरह का ये कुकुम्बर की फैमिली की है, इसको दोसका ही बोलते हैं. मैंने इसको और कहीं नहीं देखा है, साउथ में ही देखा है. इन ओडिशा वी हैव अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, उसको फुटी काकुड़ी बोलते हैं, बट ये फिर भी डिफरेंट ही है. इसका डिफरेंट शेप आता है, बट ओवरऑल ये लंबा नहीं होता है, राउंडिस या सिलिंड्रिकल ऐसे शेप में होता है. तो ये थोड़ा खट्टा होता है. इसकी पिकल्स बनाया जाता है, चटनी बनाई जाती है, एंड दाल में डालते हैं. मैं तो प्लेन दाल में डालूँगी इसको. दाल में डालने से दाल की एक मस्त थिकनेस आती है, उसकी अच्छी खुशबू आती है. इसके साथ डालने के लिए मैंने ये ड्रम स्टिक्स भी लाए हैं, तो वो भी मैं दाल में डालूँगी जब मैं बनाऊँगी. फिर कुकुम्बर है, भिंडी है, टमाटर है. तो अभी मैं थोड़ा सा चिल करूँगी, बहुत हो गया रनिंग. अभी स्ट्रेचिंग करूँगी अपनी पैरों को, so that I don't know if tomorrow we are again going to BHL for practicing our run, but I'm happy with my today's run. So basically I wanted to run at least 15 more minutes, but when I started today the weather was totally pleasant, but humid was there. But now it's hot, it's sun is outside and it's really hot. I cannot run, I cannot even walk. I forgot I was walking. I just bought my vegetables and came. The thing is, I should change. Somehow I should, if I can sleep early. Yesterday also I slept around 1:30 a.m. morning, and I said good night, and after that also my eyes are straining because I woke up around 7. Right, so how long did I sleep? Around 5.5 hours. But I feel whatever I slept, it was deep sleep only, and I'm happy that I could run. That's my satisfaction for it. But yes, so the problem, it's not that I do not get sleepy. Definitely, if I want by इसको निकाल देते हैं. So if I want to definitely by 9:30 or 10 I can sleep, but my issue is if I'm working on something, reading will definitely put you into sleep, but if I'm working on something, it's hard to leave that thing in the middle and then okay. So I will unbox my vegetables after some time, because this is one of my most favorite thing that I enjoy, which is vegetable and grocery shopping. Then grocery is the vegetable shopping that I enjoy. So अभी थोड़ा चिल करूँगी, फिर अपनी वेजिटेबल्स को ओपन करूँगी, उनको सेट करूँगी अपने अपनी जगह पे, फिर अपना वो हेल्दी ओट का एक वो स्मूदी बनाऊँगी फ्रूट्स के साथ, वो खाऊँगी, फिर कुकिंग पे लग जाऊँगी. वैसे भी कुछ है नहीं फ्रीज में, तो जो भी बनेगा फ्रेश करने का एकदम से. तो तब मिलते हैं फिर. बाय.
तो बोली तो मैं कि मैं स्मूदी बना के खाऊंगी पीऊंगी जो भी, बट आई गॉट एंगेज्ड इन किचन एंड देन आई थॉट इट बीन 2 days आई हैव नॉट टेकन माई आलो जेल जो मैंने बना के रखा था, एंड सो आई थॉट ऑफ हैविंग इट. सो राइट नाउ आई एम हैविंग इट. सो earlier also I have given the taste of it. So actually I had got the full bowl. I almost finished half and I have still remaining half to eat. So it looks very nice but slight bitter. So I have observed the gel pieces which are thick, very thick. They are not bitter. They are it's like you are eating something which has no taste at all. It has slight tinge of sourness into that, right? But the ones which has the gel is been dried, like this thin one. Okay, this one is a thin one. And then this one is a, see the difference, this is a thick one, right? So and this is a thin one. Why something is thin, why something is thick? That's because I will finish eating all this and then I'll go back to kitchen. Then I have to do the बर्तन also. That's my next task. फिर जब इतने सारे बर्तन पड़े हैं 2-3 दिन के, इनको मांजनी है, ये सब मांजनी है, एंड फिर देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्या कर सकते हैं. तो ये है मेरे वेजिटेबल्स, अनार, देन करेला, ड्रम स्टिक्स, करी लीव्स, भिंडी, कुकुम्बर, नींबू, टमाटर, धनिया, पालक. पालक काफी अच्छे थे, सब अच्छे नहीं थे, बट बस दो ही कटाई बोलते हैं, 2 bunches only and 10 rupees. And the sakai 1 is 20. Potato this kg is 30. This 1 kg papaya 60. Tomato I believe 30. This is 10 rupees dhania 2 katta. This is 5 rupees curry leaves. And this is 100 rupees anar, 5 anars. These 2 are 10 rupees. These are 1 kg, so I believe he must have put 40 or 45. Bindi, this is just 1 pav, 15 rupees. Nimbu, he gave me 10 rupees only, but ideally, yeah, he gave me 1 extra. And then adrak, I think it was also costly, 35 or so. So yeah, this whole thing, it costed me around 360. 200 for the vegetables and 160 for the fruits. So इनको अभी मैं सेट करूँगी फ्रिज में, और जिसको टमाटर जो खराब हो गया उनको, मतलब खराब तो नहीं हुए बट उनके ऊपर अदर चीज़ें रख दिया था वो थोड़े सॉफ्ट हो गए होंगे, तो उनको मैं कुकिंग में यूज़ कर लूँगी इमीडिएटली. बाकियों को छान के बाहर रखूँगी. एंड देन बाकी अदरक बहुत ही ख़राब है, बहुत मिट्टी भरे हुए हैं, इनको भी देखना है. 2 के भी रखने से भी सड़ जाते हैं, और काफ़ी तो मैंने ग्राइंड करके रखा है. इनको मुझे ऐसे ही कभी पीसेस में काट के खाना होता है, तो इसलिए मैंने रखा है. तो इनको धोना है नहीं धोना है वो मैं देख लूँगी. सी यू देन लेटर, बाय. तो जी मैं अभी आई हूँ नीचे कुछ सामान लेने के लिए. आलू बुखारा और प्लम, यू कैन कॉल इट प्लम. ऑनियन ले आई, सुबह नहीं मिला था. फिर बेसन और थोड़े से जंक फूड लाई हूँ. मन करता है when I work at night I feel like eating something, so keeping it so that I can eat little bit of mixed with my healthy say sprouts or peanuts and all, and then ये मुरमुरा लाई हूँ. So that's what I have done.
तो मैं चली अपना खाना खाने. राइस एंड माई बीटर गर्ड लीव्स मिक्स वेजिटेबल करी और करेला का पत्ता का करी. टेस्ट तो बहुत सही आया है. इट्स टेस्ट ऑथेंटिक ओनली हाउ आई हैड टेस्टेड by my mom or grandmom. So mom and grandmom, thank you for teaching me this recipe. I have all these weird sort of food habits um, because of my grandmom. So as a child, as like any typical child, having too many tantrums about food, and when I was around fourth standard, I was in. Then I was sent to stay with my grandparents, my mother's parents. So. So my grandpa was diabetic, and that changed the whole diet of the complete family, sort of, because since he was diabetic, there are more focus uh, towards this bitter stuff, be it karela ka leaves, be it neem leaves, be it neem flowers. So your childhood taste that saves up, right? That's when the love for spicy food, not in terms of masala and all spice, but spice in the sense green chili and all. As a child, we suffered a bit, but then we started liking having the hot sort of taste in your food. So because my grandpa was diabetic, so these kind of food choices were part of our daily food that we eat, and that's how I developed this habit, and it's really really tasty. So thank you grandmom, and thank you mom. So I will stop today's vlog here, and I wish you all a good day, good weekend ahead, and we'll see tomorrow. See you then. Bye. Till then, like, subscribe, and give comments and feedbacks and share. Okay then. Bye.